We're day 10 into Obamacare, the rollout, and they promised it would work properly. Take a listen. Hold on. Listen.
I want to be clear. We are ready to go on October 1st.
On October 1st, everyone will be able to enroll one way or another.
Most of the stories you'll hear about how Obamacare just can't work is just not based on facts. Every time they have predicted something not working, it's worked.
These marketplaces will be open for business on Tuesday, no matter what.
Well, Tuesday, but he failed to mention which Tuesday. We're still waiting. Go ahead, Bob. Blitz Central.
I think, there's no denying here that what they probably should do, I don't think a year is the right thing to do, but I think they do need to pull back here for a second. If this thing is not working, and it's not working, and it's not just a glitch, it's an architectural design apparently problem. But can we make one other point? Can I make one other point here? The Republican Party in the Gallup poll from the beginning of the time they've asked the question sunk to its lowest level in history.
I mentioned that.
You did mention that?
Yeah.
Yes.
You have to ask yourself a question. At what point did they not have to try to offer the...
Let's stay on topic here a little bit. Greg, we still don't know how many people signed up. Is it that there are not enough signed up and they're embarrassed, or is it that it's just really that bad?
I have more houseboys in my apartment than signed up. Saying Obamacare is a decent launch is like saying the Hindenburg left on schedule. But you know what kills me about this whole thing? Obama loves to say about everything, we knew it wasn't going to be easy. He says that about every single thing. Well, get this. Easy is often a marker of success. When something unfolds, like an Apple launch, it's because there are all these people that work really, really hard to make it happen. He somehow believes that we deserve the punishment of failure, that this is going to be hard, never said it's going to be easy, and it's your problem. It shows that he didn't actually work that hard on this. He never read the bill. He didn't care. This was just some kind of thing that he let Pelosi do, and now we're all getting it. And then his excuse, I never said it was going to be easy.
Well, they knew there were going to be millions of people. They said this is to make sure that 30 or 48 million people can get health care. They knew there was going to be a lot of people hitting it. There are web designers saying that they could do this for a couple $100.
I wish that they would have been smart enough to hedge and not say on October 1st it's going to be great. They could have. Now they could probably point to some sound bites where they were cautious. But if you pull all those sound bites together, they told the American people this would all be set. It is not set. What is set is that you will be fined at the end of the year as an individual. You will get a fine from the IRS. If you don't have health insurance all set by December 31st. No,
you'll get a tax.
Oh, it's a tax.
Remember, it has to be a tax to make it constitutional.
Tax. Well, they will get taxed.
Kathleen Sebelius penned an editorial in USA Today, which we talked about earlier in the week, saying, and the headline was that Obamacare is simple and user-friendly. If I'm her, why wouldn't I put out a piece where I have to eat a little bit of crow and explain that there are problems and ask for patience? Instead, they just tell you the opposite, as if people are stupid. And, Greg, you're absolutely right. President Obama had his hands off this thing from the beginning. Reid and Pelosi did it. He never got involved in the details. And now I don't understand why he doesn't take the delay of the individual mandate. I'm actually angry
the whole thing will fall apart.
That Republicans would offer it. I can't believe they would give him an out like this.
You couldn't. Just one fast thing. Somebody here should hang for this. I mean, what's amazing to me is Obama shouldn't have to deal with this day by day. No president deals with that. But somebody, either Sebelius or somebody, should be sent out the door for this thing not working, whether it's the guy who designed it.
Never do that.
The NSA can data mine 11 billion emails and calls at a single moment, but Obamacare can't handle 50,000.
By the way, you know who should pay is the media. How many people are really? I mean, they're not jumping on this. This is an absolute catastrophe.
We got to leave it there.